Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can design a Twitter header in Canva. Twitter header is a very important skill to sell on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, because many people don't know about how to design the Twitter header and other Twitter post, etc. So they can hire a graphic designer. So Canva is an easy tool from which you can design these type of post headers, etc. So first of all, I will go to fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform. You can sell your services there and earn money online. So first of all, we will check that there is demand for the Twitter header skill or not. So I write here Twitter header. There are 505 services available, means 505 freelancers are giving this service. I will design a custom YouTube banner and Twitter header. I will design professional Facebook, LinkedIn cover, Twitter header, LinkedIn cover, Twitter header. So it is basically included in social media covers like Facebook cover, LinkedIn cover, Twitter header, YouTube banner. These are in almost in same category. So in $40 basic package and standard $60 and premium $90. So this is a good skill to work on. So I think it's clear that there is a demand for this skill. So that's it for the Fiverr part or freelancing part. Let's go to Canva and learn how to design a Twitter header in Canva and start making money online. So I am going to canva.com. Here I write Twitter header. So it is loading, wait for a second. So it provides us different templates, but I am going to make a blank template and start designing. Wait for some seconds, it is loading. It's depend on internet speed. My net is slow today, so bear with me please. So that's it. I want to make a motivation based header. So I write motivation, and yeah, this is a good header, but I want to change something. Learn, earn, so put it into the center and align left, and after that change the color of the text like yellow. Yeah, it's look good. And after that I want line. I want to rotate this line in 90 degrees. That's good. Change the color white. reduce the size, and that's good, but change the color. So I think it's look good, but yeah, that's look good. So that's it. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn the skill and earn money. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.